Hello to all of you. So I'm again here to share video on my YouTube channel Maths Can Be Fun. So how it is fun to all of you? Please comment me, because from this video onwards you are able to comment on my videos on YouTube, because as I said, I'm not familiar with this technology as much, because I'm the new in this platform. So slightly slowly I'm being perfect. So we start the video. So today's video is about to surface area volumes basic continue. In the first video I discussed what is solid, what is difference between surface area, lateral surface area and volume. So in this video I'm going to continue the topic, and I will illustrate the formulas of cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting time. So be ready and must on a board. So I'm going to start. Basic concept of surface area and volume. So first of all, we will discuss cube. So what is a cube? Cube is made up of square. A plane figure is square. We will take 6 squares to make a cube. Okay. One square, 2 squares, 3 squares, 4 squares, and fifth one is base and the sixth one is top. Okay. So as we know, the side of square is equal, means A. So similarly, the edge of the cube means in plane figures sides. In plane figures, the length of the boundary is known as its side, whereas in solids it's known as edges. Okay, so length is A, breadth is A, and the height is also A. So as I told you, evergreen formula in first video. If you not seen my first video, just go through that video and see what evergreen formula I discussed there. Okay, so now I'm going to write it again. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. So what I said, when we want to find the lateral surface area of any solid, perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base into height. So lateral surface area of is equals to perimeter of base. So what is the perimeter of this base? So its base is square, and we know that the perimeter of square is 4 into side. So 4a into height is a. So it is 4a square. Okay. Now, next point, total surface area. Total surface area of any solid is equals to lateral surface area or curved surface area plus area of top plus area of base. Okay, so it should be lateral surface area is 4a square plus area of top. What is the area of this top? Area of this top is a square plus area of base a square again. So what we will get? 4a square plus a square plus a square is 6a square. So we can conclude total surface area of cube is 6a A square. Volume, what is the volume? Is the volume is equals to, volume of cube is equals to area of base. Or when we need to find the volume of any solid, okay, when we need to find the volume of any solid, we will use this simple concept: area of base into height. So area of base is A square and height is A. So it is A cube. A cube is the volume of cube. It's clear? So now I'm going to rub and then we will discuss cuboid. So what is a cuboid? Cuboid is made up of rectangles. I'm going to rub this also, okay? Because I want some more space on board, that's why. So first of all, I'm going to write the evergreen formula which help us to write the formulas easily. So whenever we write the literal surface area, perimeter of base into height, okay? Total surface area is equals to literal surface area plus area of top plus area of base, and volume is equals to area of base into height. This concept I discussed in my previous part 1 video of the basic concepts of surface area and volume. So in that sequence, I am going to discuss cuboid. So what is a cuboid? Cuboid is made up of rectangle. So we make a rectangle first, second rectangle. It also has 6 faces. Now, so as we know, rectangle's length is denoted by L, this is breadth B, and the height H. So, literal surface area. Literal surface area is equals to, we follow this concept, perimeter of base. So, what is the perimeter of this base? The base is rectangular, and we know that the perimeter of the rectangle is twice of L plus B, okay? So twice of L plus B. I'm not writing this statement again, okay? That's why I written on top. So literal surface area is equals to 2 times L plus B into height. And what is the height? Height is H. So literal surface area is equals to 2 L plus B. Now, total surface area. Total surface area is equal to literal surface area, okay, 2L plus B into H plus area of top. What is the area of the top? Area of the top is, it's L, it means it's also L because this is rectangle. I'm talking about this rectangle, okay, and it is B, so it's also B. So total surface area is equals to literal surface area plus area of top. What is the area of top? L into B, LB, plus area of base. What is the area of base? L into B. Now, we multiply 2 from left hand side and H from right hand side. So, what we will get? 2 LH, or we can write HL also. 2 HL plus 2 BH plus 2 LB. Now, we take 2 as common and we write in a ascending order, so it should be LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, now volume of any solid, as I told, area of base into height. So what is the area of base? L into B into height is H. So volume is LBH. It's clear? I hope so. I'm able to clear the concept to all of you. Okay? अगर आपको ये चीजें या हमारा पढ़ाया हुआ क्लियर हो रहा है और समझ में आ रहा है और आप अगर चाहते हैं कि मैं वीडियोस को ऐसे कंटिन्यू बनाता रहूं, सो प्लीज शेयर माय वीडियोस टू ऑल योर फ्रेंड्स एंड कमेंट मी, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आई एम द परफेक्ट वन. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, कुछ मिस्टेक्स हो सकती हैं. सो यू आर independent to comment me, or you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number 9919333200. Okay, now after cuboid, okay, one more thing, we will discuss one more point here. Sometimes the question is like this, the length, breadth and the height of the room is given, and the question asks find the length of the longest rod put in that room. Okay, या फिर अगर हम एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लें, जब हम छोटे थे, so when you are in primary section, फर्स्ट सेकंड केजी जो भी रहता हो, मतलब रहता है, तो उसमें क्या होता था, जब हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें पेंसिल दिलाते थे, हमारे पेंसिल बॉक्स में नहीं आती थी, तब हम क्या करते थे, पेंसिल को सीधा ऐसे ना रख करके वी पुट दैट पेंसिल डायगोनली. हम कैसे रखते थे? डायगोनली रखते थे. व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन क्या निकल रहा है यहाँ पर, कि अगर हम डायगोनली किसी रॉड को या डायगोनली किसी भी लंबी चीज को रूम में रखना चाहते हैं, तो क्या करेंगे, एक बेस का कॉर्नर से दूसरे टॉप का कॉर्नर लेंगे. ठीक है, दैट इज नोन एज द डायगोनल ऑफ दैट सॉलिड. मींस अगर हम इस फिगर में बात करें, तो हम डायगोनल कहां से ड्रॉ करेंगे, इस पॉइंट से ये पॉइंट, और दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट लेंथ, और ये सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट लेंथ की रॉड हम ऐसे रूम में रख सकते हैं. तो diagonal is equals to diagonal of the cuboid under root. ठीक है, और भी under root and sum of the square of all sides. मीन सारी साइड्स कौन कौन सी हैं, L है, B है और H है. ओके, तीन साइड्स हैं, तीनों साइड्स का स्क्वायर एंड उनका ऐड कर देना. दैट्स इट. ओके, दिस इज द लेंथ ऑफ, from this formula we will find the length of the diagonal. Okay, similarly we can find the length of the diagonal of cube also. और अगर हम क्यूब की अगर बात करें, डायगोनल ऑफ क्यूब यहाँ पे भी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज क्योंकि मैं क्यूब में भूल गया था वहां पर. सो अंडर रूट, नाउ इन क्यूब a is L is a, B is also a and H is also a. So it is root 3a square, and we know that root 3 is not possible. It is possible but it comes in decimal, वो decimal में आ जाएगा. So what we will do, we can write it root 3a. This is the length of the diagonal in cube. Now after this, cylinder. What is the cylinder? Cylinder is also made up of rectangular piece of paper. अगर हम एक rectangular piece of paper ले लें, so we can easily make a cylinder. Okay, now by using this plain paper, I am going to show you how to make a rectangle. So this is the rectangle, length and breadth. So when we want to fold it in this way, अगर हम इस तरह से इसको fold करते हैं, so we form a rectangle. हमने क्या form कर लिया? Rectangle. Its top is, its top, I'm talking about the top, circular, okay, and its base base is also circular. Okay, now one more thing, top and base must be same, वो दोनों same ही होंगे ना. So I hope so I'm able to clear the basic or of this now. Or we can easily make a rectangle by putting a bangles one by one. अगर हम bangles को एक बैंगल, then second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one and so on, हमने 10 और 20 बैंगल्स अगर एक साथ पुट कर दी, so क्या होगा, एक वो रेक्टेंगुलर बनाएगा. इवन हमने अपनी मम्मी, दादी एंड बहुत से लोगों को देखा होगा, जब वो हैंड्स में बैंगल्स को कैरी करती हैं, सो एक वो सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म बन जाता है. चूड़ियां क्या बन जाती हैं, सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म. सो आई होप सो it will clear. So I'm going to discuss the cylinder now. So cylinder, let its top is circular, base, and its top is also circular. Okay, let the radius of the cylinder be r and height of the cylinder is h. Okay, now both the circles with same radii, so if it is r, it means it's also r. अगर ये r है तो ये भी r होगा. So literal surface area, but in this point, इस point पर आकर के हम इसको literal surface area नहीं बोल सकते. Why? Because it's literal. What is it? In first video I told you, literal surface area means area of 4 walls, and cylinder has no walls. Cylinder में कोई flat walls नहीं है. उसका जो surface है वो कैसा है, curved surface है. Okay, उसका face कैसा है, curved surface. So instead of literal surface area, we replace L by C to make it curved surface area. Okay, what we mentioned, curved surface area. Okay, and the concept is same. When we need to find the literal curve, I am mentioning here CSA also. Perimeter of the base. So what is the base? Base is circular, and the perimeter of the circle means circumference. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the circumference or perimeter of the circle into height h. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. It's clear? I hope so you all are enjoying. So now next one is total surface area. Total surface area, and the total surface area is curved surface area plus area of top plus area of base. So curved surface area is 2 pi r h as defined, plus area of top. This top is circular and we know the area of circle is pi r square. Okay, so it is pi r square plus pi r square. Now 2 pi r h plus pi r square makes 2 pi r square. Now we will take 2 pi r as common. So what we left in a bracket, h plus r. So 2 pi r h plus r is the total surface area of cylinder, and the concept and the base is same. Means same logic. एक जो evergreen formula मैंने आपको बताया, मैं उसी के थ्रू सिर्फ आपको बता रहा हूँ. सिर्फ ये 3 फॉर्मूलेज हैं जिसको आपको माइंड में सेट रखना है. दैट्स इट. फिर आप किसी भी सॉलिड का TSA, LSA, CSA और वॉल्यूम इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, ना वॉल्यूम. So volume of any solid, shall rub it. Now I'm going to rub this. Volume of cylinder. So volume of any solid, area of base. So what is the area of this base? This base is again circular, and we know the area of circle is pi r square into height. So the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. It's clear? So cube, cuboid and cylinder is finished. In my next video, I will try to complete cone, sphere, hemisphere and frustum. One more thing, units. I will make a units video separately because बहुत सारी चीजें मैं डिस्कस करना चाहता हूँ यूनिट्स के बारे में भी, क्योंकि जब वो कैपेसिटी से रिलेटेड जब वीडियोस या सम्स आ जाते हैं तो वो प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं बच्चों में. सो आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं आपको यूनिट्स बेसिकली सरफेस एरिया वॉल्यूम की सेपरेट एक वीडियो बनाऊं. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू वाइंड अप. सो आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा, प्लीज कमेंट मी. नाउ यू आर एबल टू comment me on my video. Bye bye. Stay safe. Be happy.